Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make beef bone broth. This nourishing liquid is packed with flavor and nutrients, perfect for sipping or as a base for soups. We'll start by preparing the bones, which is a crucial step for a deeply flavored broth. Roasting them first adds a wonderful richness that you won't want to skip. Then, we'll gather our aromatic vegetables and begin the long, slow simmer. Once your bones are beautifully roasted, it's time to bring everything together. Transfer the bones to a large stock pot. Add your aromatic vegetables like carrots, onions, and celery, along with garlic and bay leaves. Don't forget a splash of apple cider vinegar. It's a secret weapon for drawing out all those beneficial minerals from the bones. Finally, cover everything generously with cold water, making sure the bones are fully submerged. Hey everyone, quick recommendation. If you're finding this video helpful, please hit that like button and subscribe to the channel for more great content. And on another note, while your broth is simmering, why not treat your feet? Life's too short for cheap socks. I highly recommend Darn Tough socks. They even come with a lifetime warranty. Check the description for a link to these amazing socks and other deals. Now let's get back to the video. Now for the magic, the long simmer. Bring your pot to a gentle boil, then immediately reduce the heat to a very low simmer. This slow cooking process, ideally for 12 to 24 hours, is what extracts all the collagen and nutrients. Remember to skim off any foam that appears early on for a clearer broth. Once done, let it cool, then strain it through a fine mesh sieve, separating the rich broth from the solids.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.